Let's take a quick look at the tropics this morning. We've got an area of low pressure to the northeast of the southeastern Bahamas this morning. Hurricane Center giving it a 70% chance for development. It could become Tropical Storm Otto, but here's the good news. It doesn't look like it's any threat to the United States at all. It may trail up to the northwest a little bit as we get to Thursday and Friday, but then big trough and cold front sweeping across the eastern half of the U.S. here, eastern third of the U.S. will help push it off to the northeast, and nothing to worry about here.